KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and this is a nice little party dish. It is my smoked chicken and caramelised onion dip. It is so quick and easy to do, and your friends and family will absolutely love it. Right, here I've got my little food processor, just something that I've bought. I'm going to add in around about 100 grams of shaved smoked chicken. Alright, they can go straight in just like that, nice and easy. Now, this I'm leaving in real time. There is no editing in this, and you will see how quick and easy this is to do. Right, so we put that straight in. Now, here I've got some Beerenbergs. No, I'm not sponsored, but I do love their product of caramelized onion. Okay, it's nice and sweet, and a little bit of that nice oniony type flavor. Right, I'm going to put around about 2 tablespoons worth of that into our food processor. All right, now the next thing I'm going to add in is some smooth cream cheese, right? The spreadable cream cheese. You can use the block if you like. I'm just going to use around about that much. So I'd say it would be around about 1/3 of a cup's worth. That can go straight in like that. And if you haven't tried this combination of flavors before, you don't know what you're missing. Mrs. KP was absolutely gobsmacked by how good it tasted. So the same amount of cream cheese, we're going to add in the same amount of sour cream. That can go straight into our food processor. Now all I have to do now is get our machine all aligned. Okay, just like I'm doing right there. And all we do now is simply give that a blitz for around about 30 to 45 seconds, and before you know it, you have got your own smoked chicken and caramelized onion dip. 4 ingredients will make a lot of people smile, and so easy and budget to do. Why buy a dip when you can make it in that amount of time? Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like the video, or if you don't, hit that like button. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and leave a comment, because I love reading and I love responding to them. Alright, if you want to learn how to make something quick and easy for a party just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. We've already eaten this dip while we were watching the motor racing last weekend, but anyhow, I will catch you next time. Bye.